Hi students, we are going to discuss about how to attend NEET 2020. Okay, so few points I want to discuss with you. So we have just few hours are left. So how to use this last minutes. Okay, so in a if I'm we are going chemistry point of view. So you have theoretical part will be there and physical part will be there, problematic part. Each theoretical lessons and case, what are the key points, what is the exceptions, go with the properly. And in a problematic physical chemistry also some theoretical key points will be there, so that key points also go through it. Okay, so formulas going, it will be very easy, but the first thing theoretical key points and theoretical exceptions, then finally formulas related like that you are going that, it will be very helpful in exam, because in exam you have out of 45 questions 35 around questions are theoretical will become, so you have to be ready with that. So problems around 10 around will be problematic questions will become. So once your 35 questions are in your control, that will be very easy to control other 10 questions, because they are formula based related will be there or concept based related will be there. Okay, so first thing, you can make comfortable theoretical part, in exceptions are there or important key points are there, go through well. Next, speed up practice. So you are writing 180 questions and less than 180 minutes, because in examination hall so many other normalities, normal things will be there to follow. So some time will be reduced. So 180 minutes, less than 180 minutes you will get it. So 180 questions you are getting. So here your speed will be very important in an examination hall. For that purpose, what happens? You have to practice before one test you take such a way that keep 1.5 hour, 2 hours only or 2.5 hours only for test, and try to write all the questions. Okay, 180 out of 180. Then what happens, whether correct or wrong, that is the purpose is to speed up your test. Okay, so increase your speed. In exam, suppose the test paper was very easy and or moderate, you are able to attempt all the questions. In that case, your speed will be important. So when you having maximum speed, then you are able to attempt maximum number of questions, then your maximum chance will be there to get the medical seat. So that is our best thing. Practice one test without worrying about correct or wrong, full speed. So like 2.5 hours you keep or 2 hours you keep, and try to write maximum number of questions. Okay, especially in physics. Okay, physics you can try to focus like that. 40 minutes, 50 minutes you give for a time, and try to attempt 45 questions out of 45, whether correct or wrong. Okay, that will be increase your speed. Suppose you are getting moderate paper or easy paper to attempt the maximum questions, then you have to do your best. Okay, so that is the second point, the speed of your practice. And third one, in examination hall, after entering into the examination hall, don't worry about anything. Okay, you are reached that examination hall to reach your goal. Okay, so in that one case, don't take any extra stress or anything. You are properly focused on what you have to do, and until they are giving examination hall, they giving paper, you just wait and keep calm yourself. Okay, attempting question paper. Question paper you are taking. So if I got chemistry part, so I have 45 questions are there. So first go one by one questions which are problems are lengthy, it will be take round up, and lastly we can come. First try to complete a theoretical, and easily you are able to do questions, do go and do it. Last that 5 questions or 6 questions which are lengthy, you can do it later. So you are seeing question paper means what you have to see each question separately. Like one question I am focusing, that question only focus, don't worry about other question. That one question. So what is question it is given, and what is the key points or key formula or is related to that question, and then what is the answer. So before giving the answer, cross check whether they are asking correct answer or incorrect answer or true or false. So what is basically they are exactly asking, just a few seconds you cross check before bubbling the answer. That is very important to avoid the mistakes. Okay, so that one. properly focus on question and one by one, and try to do questions very precisely and accurately. Try to take less time, but not like that you have to do mistake. Okay, you have to speed and accuracy will be both you try to maintain in the examination hall. After test, you will be get many, after few hours of the test, you will get many keys will be there. Any one key you properly take it and try to answer, check the what you are given, and wait until the official key coming, and so wait for that until your final key is coming. Okay. And this is last day I am giving, but it is very important, admit card related. So admit card case, NTA already given some set of rules you have to follow in the examination hall before going examination hall, and in examination hall what you have to follow. So that basically first thing you have to follow that strictly. So you no need to extra stress in that part. Okay, so what they are giving the rules, follow that 100%. So that will that's helpful after going examination hall. After proper that they are checking them, and they will be asked to enter into the examination hall easily. Okay, so here no confusions will be there. Just you are going proper rules and regulations following and going to the examination hall. It will be helpful to avoid any extra stress or any extra problems during before the exam. Okay, so that is the best very important thing you have to follow. So these are the few points you have to careful. First thing, what you have to last minute focus, theoretical key points, theoretical exceptions go through well. Then after that formulas and speed up practice to test yourself if paper is easy or moderate, how to attempt a maximum questions. Okay, you are attempting 100, 120 questions is not enough to get the medical seat. You have to attempt 150 plus is a requirement. So that according to that you have to speed up your test. In examination hall, keep calm and take the paper and ready for the test. Attempting question, each question is a important one. It will be added here to the future goal. So properly focus and speed and accuracy following both. You can give the test. Cross check before the answer. After test, don't worry about many things. Just try to take one of the key and try to answer the key. Check the your question paper with the key and keep a rough score and wait until the official key coming. Finally, before going test itself, properly follow all the rules given in admit card and do the test properly. Okay, so keeping this one, your score in your hand. So keep everything in your hand properly and focus and properly on in examination hall and try to get the maximum number of questions, correct answers. Okay, thank you. All the best for your NEET 2020. Thank you, students.